Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the mobile data not working on your Android phone by following these quick steps. So let's get started. Very first simple thing to do is just pull down that top menu and put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and that will give us some time, and then just turn it on again. What you're doing is basically a quick network refresh for your network and see if mobile data is working. Now the next thing you want to go ahead and ensure that your mobile data is actually turned on if it didn't get turned on off accidentally. So you're going to go into the setting app on your phone and then go to connections, and from connections you're going to look for data usage or mobile data, and then you should see mobile data, and you want to make sure this is actually turned on so it's not actually turned off as well. So that's going to be our thing. And then where it says allowed networks for apps, right? Make sure that you don't have any apps that you're not allowing. So you can see here all of these apps are allowed. If you happen to click on an app where, let's say it's only Wi-Fi only, it says Wi-Fi only, that means that app might not work. So you want to always ensure that the mobile data is and Wi-Fi is turned on each of the app that you require both mobile data and Wi-Fi. As long as it doesn't say Wi-Fi only, you should be fine. Sometimes that can happen accidentally. Now after that, along with that, is going back to the connections. You want to check out basically your option for mobile networks. In the mobile networks, you want to allow things like allow 5G service and use 5G. If you have 5G, these are some of the standard settings. Of course, you want to make sure it is turned on. Again, you may adjust accordingly to your carrier. But another important option is your access point name. So if you click on that, sometimes you may need to reset it back to default. Here, I already did it, so it's grayed out for me, but you may need to just reset to default as well. Let's say you did all of that and still not working. The next thing to do is, depending on the phone you have, is to remove and reinsert the SIM card. So the SIM card will either be at the bottom or the top. Sometimes it may be on the side, depending on the Android model. You can take the SIM tool and just pop it out and pop it back in again. You can use like a paper clip or something as well. That will work if you don't have the SIM ejector tool. Just reinserting allows the SIM to reinitialize again. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is go ahead and just simply restart your phone. You can do that by pulling down the top menu power icon right here, restart, or you can use the volume down and the side button to just go ahead and restart your phone. And also you can use Bixby or Google Assistant to also power off and restart your phone. A quick restart fixes a lot of software related issue. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is go ahead into your setting. And this time we're going to go ahead into the option for general management, and then scroll down or look for date and time. Make sure the date and time here is set correctly. Sometimes you move time zone and this isn't correctly, you can manually set it, but ideally it should be automatic, and make sure that date is correct. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is under general management is reset. And then we're going to do a mobile, as you can see here, network setting reset. When you do that, resetting the mobile setting itself, it'll help to fix any issues. It will not delete any of your data, so you don't have to worry about that, but it's an important thing to do if you're still having issues. Now, let's say you're still having issues with your mobile data. Go ahead and make sure your phone is up to date with your setting. For this, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi first, because your mobile data isn't working. You won't be able to update your phone. So in your settings, you're going to look for software update and check if there is an update out on the device. Sometimes a previous update might have caused issues. You're going to go update it if there is. This phone is already up to date, so I don't have to do that, but it's always important to update your phone. Now, if you're still having issues, sometimes it just may be the location that you're in. Try to move to a new spot to see if you aren't in an area where there is no coverage. Sometimes it could be simple as that. Another thing also to confirm is with your phone carrier or the company that you get a phone service, just ask them if your account is in good standing. If sometimes they might have to do a reset or resync your account. So if you call them up, they should be able to kind of address that for you. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.